Natalie Reynolds, and I am the owner and designer for Design Media. In this particular episode, we're going to talk about prototyping. Now, if you're an instructional designer, this is probably a household term. If you're not, let's talk about what that word actually means. Prototyping. If you want to give the users kind of a foresight as to what that application or that training will look like, you're going to prototype it. Another word for prototyping is often wireframe or wireframing. These are terms that have to do with giving the users or giving your stakeholders or approvers a glimpse, sort of a practice copy, maybe a diagram that's drawn on paper, maybe it's electronicized or made electronic. But either way, it is literally a visual representation of what that final training will look like. Now, your final training could be on-the-job shadow training, computer-based training courses, or it could even be the presentation and handouts that you see in classroom training. No matter what it is that you're doing or how you're deploying that training, you want to give the user base, could be your approvers, an idea of what you are going to be developing for them. How does the solution to their problem look like? How are you solving their problem? So now, let's talk about what that actually looks like. This could be a drawing, a handheld drawing. If you're creating an online computer-based training course, your literal sketch could be, hey, this is where the header is going to go. This is the location where your breadcrumbs will go. Here's where the graphic will be. Here is how much text can actually visually fit on the screen. The next button, the previous button, a glossary button, a progress bar, maybe even a print button. But you can actually show, it could be something as simple as a drawing that you have on paper and that you project in a meeting room for your clients. It could also be something that you put together in a desktop publishing software such as Microsoft Word. Maybe you've got little placeholders. Maybe you use symbols that determine, okay, here is where the text is going to go. And each bar represents a line of text that can fit on the screen. You want to show them the breadth of visual content that they can expect when they see the final product. So, my question to you is, are you creating your wireframe electronically, or are you hand drawing that for your clients? I would love to see an example of your prototype. Go ahead and drop a picture in the comments below this video of your prototype. How are you giving a visual clue into what you're going to be delivering as the final product at the go live date, and even backing up the truck, so to speak, to those milestone dates as you're progressing through the life cycle of your project? So, there's your to-do. I want you to drop a picture down in the comments of this video and tell us or show us what your prototype looks like. Is it hand-drawn? Is it electronic? Do you have images? Do you use symbols? Do you use actual like lorem ipsum type space holder text? How do you create your work? I've given you some ideas. So there's your to-do. And as always, I want you to like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it to all your friends, subscribe, and make today great, guys.